pick at your children and spit in their face if they didn't believe he was their saving grace. Well, he is your savior, you can't spell his name. All the walls in your church, they won't hide your real shame. People like me aren't the problem today. It's the stones that you throw and the words that you speak in vain. When you're walking through the streets and you have your eyes on me, look inside yourself and see that we're all just human. Practice what you preach. The institution of marriage isn't flawed by same sex. It's the liars and cheaters your fathers knew best. People like you put your Messiah to death. Put your weapons away and read words that he truly meant.